Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the cutest ponytail hair combo for all your winter outfits in a dress to impress. So this look is perfect for the winter, ski resort or Christmas themes. And let me show you how you can make this. Now first, you're going to go to the Updo hair category and put on this Updo. Use only the bangs and choose the color that you prefer. So I'm going to use black and still on the Updo hair category. Now use this hair and change the color to black. And next one, go to the wavy hair category and put this hair right here. Again, use the same color and now put on another wavy hair, this one, and adjust the position, the position Z to 53. And last one, you can just put on this hair right here on the feminine hair category, this one with the same color. So this is for the hair. Now I'm going to add the bow as the accessory. This bow right here, toggle it into type 3 and I'm going to adjust the position, okay, in 4Z to 54, and you can choose any color or pattern that you prefer. And after that, you are done. So this is the final look for the cutest ponytail in DTI. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.